Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I am doing an updated plant tour because I did one maybe 2 years ago, but I have gotten new plants and unfortunately some of them have died, so it is a little different than the last video. So make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started with this plant tour. So first we have this Jade plant. I've had it for quite a while. It's been doing pretty well, and I actually made this pot out of a big bean can and then spray painted it blue. Then this is a Parlor Palm. I got it fairly recently, and I know they can get pretty big, so I'm pretty excited for that. This Burrow's Tail, I also got this one pretty recently as well. And then we have this succulent in this cute pot I got from Target. I actually cannot remember the name of this, but I know I have it written down. Next, we have this Christmas cactus. They are really pretty when they bloom. I do not think this one has bloomed yet. I think it's just too small. Then the last one on my desk is an Vera plant, and I've had this one for quite a long time. I think it's like one of the first houseplants I got. So the last two in my room is an amaryllis. This one already has bloomed, so I'm not sure when it will bloom again. The leaf is a little yellow, but it will just grow another one eventually. And then I have this polka dot plant. I used to have a pink one, but it died right away because I think I had it in a pot that was too small. But this one is so far doing pretty well. By this sink, we have a very, very tall alligator succulent. I'm surprised of how tall it has gotten because it's in such a tiny pot, but it still can get so tall. It's crazy. This is a lucky bamboo, not an actual bamboo, just in case you didn't know, but it just looks like one. Opal, don't knock it down again, please. They love to knock plants down, and it is not good. On this plant stand from IKEA, we have this plant. I still have never figured out the name of it, and I've been wanting to know for like many years. So if you know, please let me know. It smells like basil, which is really weird, but I know it's not basil. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy to take care of and everything. So the next one is another alligator succulent, and it has a bunch of little mini ones, which is really cute. Then this last one on this stand is a jade plant. Here is another Christmas cactus. This one is a lot bigger than the other one I showed you earlier. This plant stand, I believe, also came from IKEA. Here's an inch plant in water. I have always had trouble keeping them alive in soil for some reason. As you can see, this was another one, but it's basically dead now. And then another jade plant, super cute, and another alligator succulent. Then the last one in this room is a pothos, also called a devil's ivy. Here in the kitchen, we have quite a lot of snake plants. So here's one of them, and here's another. Sorry if the sun is kind of making a glare. And then here's a different variety of snake plant. I don't really know the names of varieties, but I just know this is a different one. And then here is another one. And there's a Sydney. Here we have a Ponytail Palm. I believe it's also called an elephant's foot, maybe? I think so. And then we have a heart philodendron, which this was propagated, so it's making a lot of progress. It was propagated from this philodendron. And we have a boat lily that used to be in soil, but then it started dying, so I decided to propagate a leaf. And I think it is forming a root. You might not be able to see it because it's really small, but I think it's doing pretty well. Another inch plant in some water. This one, I'm not sure what this one is called. Comment down below if you know. We have another pothos. There is another boat lily that I am trying to propagate. Then we have 2 air plants. Super easy to take care of. Just soak them in water for 20 minutes once a week. And there's another one. And then we have this plant. I never could figure out what this plant is called. But I really like it. It's super pretty and seems pretty easy to take care of. And then here we have a lily. I don't remember the specific name of it, but it's so pretty. I really love the leaves and everything. Here in the dining room, we just have a pothos. Another pothos that has been propagated, and then this other one that has been propagated, the one that I was talking about earlier. I do not know the name, but it smells like basil. It's so weird. And then this one, according to my plant app, it's called Sedum. I know there's a type of flower that's called Sedum, and it's not the same thing, so maybe they're just like related, or they're just called the same thing. I'm not sure, or maybe I'm wrong about that. I don't know. And then this one is another Christmas cactus. And then there's 2 more snake plants. We have so many. So for the first house plant that is outside for the summer, this spider plant, also known as an airplane plant, was propagated. It was just a little tiny thing like this, and now it's super big. I'm so proud of it, and it's blooming some flowers. Super pretty. We have a lavender tree. And 2 more spider plants. In the entryway, we just have 1 little cactus, and my sister put this in as a joke just because it's in a cage. Thanks for watching. Bye.